Former Chief Minister and TMC legislator Mukul on Thursday attributed the party's debacle to the splitting of votes among too many players in the recently concluded polls. He told reporters that the mandate of the people in the Khasi Hills region reflected what they wanted. The TMC managed only 5 out of the 56 seats it contested. He also blamed the recent failure to form an alternative government on horse trading.
People in authority who wants to win election by using the illegitimate wealth that they accumulate, then what is going to be the future of the state? This is precisely what we wanted to prevail upon the people. Because if all these things are allowed, then as I say, people will not find good people willing to join politics. And then what happens is what I have said. Then you'll be ruled by people who you don't want to be ruled by.
The Jaintia Hills Autonomous District